Typically, the first thing that I normally do once I'm working with a brand new project is I want to select my levels. So let's just go ahead and select the levels, and then we'll create a floor or a wall, and then that'll make more sense on what these are. So select the section. I'm going to draw a section here, extend it out. I'm going to say right click on the section, and then I'm going to say go to view. All right, so now once we're in section view, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of these two levels here that come straight out of the box. And then I'm going to go to structure, and then I'm going to say level, and I'm going to set my own level. So this level, what I typically like to do is I like to set my levels either, you can either do it here or you can do it here. So I typically like to set my level as 0, 0. So that means mean sea level, and then the name of the level, I like to call it MSL, do not move. I'm going to select no. I'm going to go back to view, and then I'm going to create a new structural plan view. The reason why I created a new structural plan view, if I select this, do not duplicate existing views, click OK, is because now everything in this plan view is going to be off of that level. Now, if we go here, and then if we go to the view range, then we can say mean sea level, that's 0. And then if our building is at elevation, let's say 800, we can say we'll go another 15 feet in case we're creating some walls that are, say, 10 foot tall. If we select our view range at 815, we know that the plan view is cutting above the elevation where our foundation, which is at 800, and then our walls that are 10 foot tall will be 810. We know that at 815 we should be good when we are modeling things in plan view. So if I select 815 on these two, and then on these bottom two, I'm just going to say 0. If I click apply and click OK, now I am able to go and create a slab. So we're just going to go to structure, create a basic foundation slab. Once you're modeling in Revit, you're always modeling off of a certain level. So if I go here and scroll up, I am modeling based off of a mean sea level, right? So right now is if I draw a slab, it's going to show it at level 0, 0. So I said that I wanted my slab at elevation 800. So if I type in 800 right here, and then I just draw a basic slab, select apply. Now I can see my slab in plan view. I can see my slab in section view. And if I create a 3D view, we can see that, and I do the same thing, EL on my keyboard for elevation. We can see that the slab is at elevation 800.